Okay, hello everyone, this is hole number 1, expert division. This is an eagle, a really simple play. You can fly over this bunker if you want, but you don't need to. What you want is a club with a decent amount of topspin and play 7 bars topspin and full left. And what you're looking for here is right there. That's your position off the tee, so I'm just going to save that. That'll go in the guide, and then I'll show you exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for the shape of the shadows of the tree, and it sort of goes like that, and I'm looking for that V shape right there, and I'm going to land just above it, so you can see a little V in the shadow, and I'm landing directly above that. So I'll save that, I'll put that in the guide. You can also look for your blue ring to be close to the rough there. Don't go any closer than that. So blue ring near the rough, and I'll pop that in the guide. Second bounce in that little groove there in the V on the shadows. Medium distance plus 15%. is the adjustment. I adjusted plus 20, I think. I was just slightly over to the right. I think plus 15 will play a little bit better. And what you really need to do is clock your drive distance. This one gets to 321 yards. And you want to be anywhere between 320 and 330 yards. And what I will do is I'll make a little chart. So if you get to 321 yards, that leaves you a 67% club with 0 elevation. So you want to go to notebook, and you want to set the slider on notebook to, I'll do that right now. Set the slider on notebook to a power 3 ball, and this slider here, set that to 67%, and you need to do that while your opponent's shooting, because it can be a little bit fiddly. So we'll do that. We'll go back to the second shot, and then what I'll do is I'll just drop into notebook, and I'll punch the numbers in so that you can see. So this is the second shot, and you can see it's 7.7 wind, so straight away so 7.7 wind, and you can see the middle number there is 6.3 rings, so that's 0 elevation, 67% slider. If you go further on your drive, you need to reduce the slider. If you go to 330 yards, that plays 50%, but I'll put these numbers into the guide, and I'm pretty confident that I've figured these numbers out pretty early. So what you want to do is don't play a set amount of topspin, just adjust your topspin and left spin so that you find that little funnely bit, and you'll see I'll move 6.1 rings here. So that's exactly 6.1, which I got from notebook. Like I said, 67% slider. But adjust your topspin and left spin so that your guide is just creeping into the hole, and then make the requisite adjustment, and that's a really simple shot. I'm really confident with that one. So that's hole number 1. Look out for the expert guide that I'll be publishing possibly tomorrow now, and that'll have all the numbers in for notebook.